Welcome to the Solo 6 Literacy Suite training software program. We're going to be talking today about CoWriter 6. CoWriter 6 is a program that you use to help students who are struggling with spelling and sentence structure. Overview of the software: it helps writers construct sentences that match their thinking. CoWriter knows where you are in the sentence so that the first word in every sentence is automatically capitalized. Each predicted word is a grammatical fit. All words will be grammatically correct that CoWriter will suggest to the student. Okay, continuing on, CoWriter automatically puts a space after each word in the sentence, which saves keystrokes for the students. Whenever you select a word, the word prediction changes to the next word that could possibly go in that sentence. CoWriter uses phonics to choose words that match what the user is intending. It doesn't just go strictly off what the student's typing. It actually helps phonetically correct them. So who, why, and what next? Who. We use this program for students with specific learning disabilities, but they can be used for all students who need a little assistance with spelling. Why. Assume you have to write 2 sentences on the American Civil War, but you can't use the words North, South, or War, and you can't type the letters R, L, or S. This illustrates the difficulty experienced by some students every day that have specific learning disabilities. So what next? We introduce these students to assistive technology, okay? But that's not all, not just specific learning disabilities. What about students with physical disabilities? If you had to write the following sentence, but you had to use just one finger, the last finger on your left hand, writing and spelling can be slow and tedious if you have a disability. This is how many students experience writing. So this program will be able to help with students who have this type of a physical disability. CoWriter 6 will help them with that. Autistic students. Imagine you had to write a sentence, but after you write each word, you had to stand up, turn around, and sit down again, and then type the next word. If you type the sentence, the cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all organisms. This illustrates the difficult experience some students have with autism every day. If you were typing that sentence and every time you had to stand up, turn around, and sit down again, you would kind of get an idea of what autistic students have to face every day in the classroom. So let's help them by introducing them to assistive technology. And CoWriter 6 is a program that can help them. So now, how do we use it? To launch CoWriter 6, we simply click Start, go to the Programs, then Solo 6. And CoWriter 6 should be the top choice. This will be illustrated in the other video designed for students that shows them how to open the program. When you launch CoWriter, you may be asked to release the number lock key. Just simply hit your number lock key once and it'll release it. While in the program, you will not be able to hit number strokes. CoWriter will float over any word processor or internet page. It also floats over PowerPoint. Students can now just type like normal, and CoWriter will offer suggestions on words as they type. Once they finish a word, CoWriter will read the word to them. This can be turned off if necessary, if they're not using headphones or they simply don't like the audio part of the program. They can use the mouse to select a word, or they can hit the number and put that word into the sentence. If they're not sure what a word choice sounds like, then they can hover their cursor over the word and CoWriter will say the word out loud to them, so they get to hear what it is they're choosing. Located in the same network location that we're working on right now is a CoWriter Quick Card PDF. This PDF will give a quick overview of the functions of CoWriter and also additional preferences and information on topic dictionaries, which may be helpful on research projects. Review the quick card and begin to think of ways to use CoWriter to assist those in your classroom that need this support. Other videos. Be sure to check out the other videos on the Solo Literacy Suite. If you have any questions, make sure you email me at adam.johnson@cherokee.k12.ga.us. Thank you very much, and enjoy the next video, the student video, and play it for your students and begin using Solo in your classroom.